I'm Davide Venturelli and I'm one of the founders of Archon. There's so many jobs that are currently done by humans which should be done by robots. The fact that we do not have robots today that can do these tasks, but drones are very good solution for many of these tasks. The problem is that drones today are still not robots. So what we did with Archon is to find a way to make sure that drones become robots.
Companies spend a lot of money in inspection, monitoring and surveillance of their sites. With Archon and its autonomous drones, you can perform this task 24/7 at a fraction of the cost.
We are able to create a 3D model of the customer site. This detailed virtual environment, the dronistic service can be planned and simulated.